definitely leveled the score. Here we go, back in action here. The pack virtually motionless, strategically holding off until the jammers can catch up. Chinese checker jamming for Scare Force 1. She is out to a good start. Oh, big hit. Jersey Jill getting caught for a backlog. Oh, Jersey Jill is headed to the penalty box, and Chinese checker, not your lead jammer, but breaking away.
The Demon Cats has had for the past few jams.
Oh, but Soledad's headed to the box. Chinese checker looking to get back in the action here. You can see penalties are going to be a major factor here in the second half as they get racked up over the course of the bout. Only a handful of skaters left on the track.
Now the rest got their hands up in the air because the pack was spread out too much.
Chinese checker finding that opportunity. The red, they gotta let her go. There's no pack. 5 points on the board for Chinese checker. And Scare Force 1 has taken the lead.
That's right. Jersey Jill and Hula Girl back in the action.
DC Demon Cats do not want to let the lead go quietly. They do not offer full lightly, but oh my goodness.
Taking out her own jammer as she goes down.
Jersey Jill not able to quite get traction. Looks here like the Demon Cats unable to score, remain at 59. Well, Scare Force 1 is taking the lead at 64.
Yeah, the Scare Force mascots out there really drumming up some support. Seems like it's making a big impact on the team.
But don't be fooled. OG former Demon Cat skaters Lydia Coffin and Jaeger Mistress are out there with the bullhorns. It's going to get loud in here.